Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. As you all know, my name is Vicky and you're welcome to Farm with Vicky. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take proper care of my birds every morning. So the birds are in week 6. I forgot to drop this particular video, so I just found it on my phone and I just decided to just talk about it this morning. So guys, in today's video I'll be taking all their drinkers and their feeder out of the pen, because they are not there's not much feed in the feeder. So, and the drinkers, they have already drank all the water. So taking them off after the order. So this is it. You can see that the feed is not much in the feeder again, and this is me watching my drinker. So drinker are not that dirty today. My chickens are very neat. So watch me as I watch it. So I told you guys I dropped a video the other day and I talk about me washing the drinkers without soap because it's very dangerous. So guys, put that in mind. So guys, I'm putting in vitamin inside their water. Vitamin is very good for the birds, so put that in mind too. So to boost their immune. So this is me putting the water one after the other. So I know most of us know the reason why I put the sack down, so that it will not get dirty. That's why I'm doing it on top of the sack, so that the drinkers will not be dirty. So guys, I'm done. So the next thing now is to put food inside their feeder. Just make sure I pick out all the dirty inside the drinker. So this is me putting in feed already. So guys, I know most of us have been watching my videos and they don't want to follow me. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and just share my video to more people that are interested in doing this kind of business of mine. So let's share the video and let's subscribe, please guys. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell, please guys. It will cost nothing to do that. I'm begging. So this is it, I'm done. So it's time for me to be putting in their pen one after the other. So this is me putting in. I'm so sorry for dropping this video this late. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I will skip it, but I thought of no, let me just put it here for you guys to see how 6 weeks old birds look like. So guys, I'm already putting in the water. And some birds at their 6 weeks, they used to be very big, more bigger than this. So this is how our own is. We have come to the end of the video, guys. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.